time of Second World War, due to Hitler, so many members were died. To reduce the anger, rage, aggression of Hitler, Britain scientists made a plan. That is, they want to give female hormone estrogen with food to Hitler, so he can get female nature and female mentality, because to reduce angry rage in him. But it was stopped in planning stage only. Put the matter aside. Really, the hormones had that much power? Yes, it is. In our body, sleep, weight, emotions, sex, energy, blood pressure, body temperature, heartbeat. Not only one, control all the body and controllable are the hormones. Not only in us, but also if a raw banana to turn as fruit and become a tasty, if one caterpillar change into butterfly, if adolescent boy get beard mouth stage, all are controlled by these hormones only. How we talk with others as well as organs in our body, we talk with other organs through hormones only. This much main role played by these hormones. So let us know how they release, how they work, how nowadays lifestyle impacting on this hormonal system. Let us see clearly in this video. In our body, the information transport in two ways. They are: one, nervous system, means through the nerves. Next, endocrine system, means through the hormones. Through this nervous system, the message travel with 430 kilometers per hour speed, but the response is not for long time. But in endocrine system, message in the form of hormones mix in the blood move slowly, but the effect is for some days and weeks. That's why these hormones are called as chemical messengers. They mix in the blood and travel throughout the body. Like this, more than 50 types of hormones are there. In these, each hormone released in each gland. Each hormone had a special work. Every hormone target particular cells of organs in our body and release. For example, if heart related hormone released through blood, it travel throughout the body, but it is not react with other organs. Only heart cells react with that hormone. Like, means if we had a key, then it can only unlock the concerned locker, but not all other lockers. Like this, in our body, every cells had receptors. Then when these hormones fit to these receptors, then it unlock the cell and enter into cell. Then it change the behavior of cells and also change the method of works in cell. For example, up to this point, the heartbeat is normal. The hormone which related to heart is enter into the heart cells and change the heartbeat rate. In our body, there are some important glands. Let us see what hormones they will release and what is use of that hormones. Let us see. Thyroid gland. It is in the front portion of the neck. The hormones released by it control the metabolism in the body. In every cell in our body, glucose made by food which we eat burnt and release energy. This is metabolism. The rate of these hormones is high in our blood, then metabolism in us also more. That's why the people who had more levels of these thyroid hormones than normal rate, they lose weight. Sleep deprivation, feeling more hungry, feeling more frustration, like these problems they will get, because the more energy produced in them. If thyroid hormone release the less than normal rate, then they had slow metabolism, so they be dull, lazy, low heartbeat, be fatigued, depressed. This thyroid hormone reach to every cell in the body and they control the speed of taking oxygen, body temperature, food digestion, etc. Like it control all the metabolism in the body. Pancreas. Through pancreas, the insulin hormone released, it controls the glucose levels in the blood. If insulin hormone released than the normal level, it leads to diabetes. Adrenal glands. They are in the upper part of the kidneys. they release the hormone called adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone controls the stress, blood pressure, heart rate, immune system, etc. It is also called as emergency hormone because when we are in trouble, then it release and make rise in heartbeat and circulate more blood to the all parts and make all the parts to react according to the situation or problem. Pituitary gland, it is in the center of the brain and very small, but it is also called as master gland because it takes signals from the brain and control on the all other glands. For the growth of muscles and bones, from pituitary gland growth hormone will release. If sufficient growth hormone not released, there is no development of growth. So be short the human beings. And also it releases the prolactin hormone in the mother for milk, as well as in our brain two more hormones release. They are called happy hormones. In that one is oxytocin. It is also love hormone because from the mother's love on his children to teenage love on pets, for all these oxytocin is the irresponsible hormone. To fall in the love, the oxytocin is the responsible, but to get the great experience in love due to dopamine hormone. That's why we called as it feel good chemical. If we finish our work, if we win, then we get feel due to dopamine hormone. When we play gambling, betting, taking alcohol, the dopamine will release. So many people addicted to that things by doing daily. Pineal gland. At the correct time, we getting into sleep means due to this gland because it release the melatonin hormone, which hormone controls the sleep cycle and make us to get sleep. The rate of hormone releasing and time of hormone releasing based on the light outside of the body. At night time the hormones start releasing due to less light or no light. But nowadays while sleeping, so many people using mobiles, the blue light rays in the mobile affect on the pineal gland and melatonin hormone not released correctly, so we don't get into sleep, then we get insomnia disease. Next, reproductive glands. These are the hormones develop the sex organs. Men and women have different reproductive glands. In men, testes which release testosterone hormone. Due to these hormone at the age of adolescence, in men, voice change, growth of beard, mustache, hair on the body, as well as to get muscular body, it is useful to men. If these hormones not released correctly, then men be weak, get beard and mustache lately, so they get some reproductive problems also. According to a study, there is a relation between vitamin D and sunshine and from sunshine and testosterone. Who are in sunshine in the morning and evening, in them testosterone released as the body need. In women, ovaries which release the estrogen and progesterone hormones. Due to these hormones at their age, adolescents, they get voice, soft skin, start periods, development of uterus for to give birth for a baby. These are the main glands in our body. All this system is called as endocrine system. If all glands work properly, then also we are very healthy. So we want to take care of these glands. But nowadays, due to our lifestyle, there is an imbalance of hormones in the body. Means the rate of hormones releasing less or more than normal levels. Like this, the little imbalance also leads to different type of diseases. To know imbalance of hormones in our body, there are some references and signs symptoms. They are without reason increasing or decreasing weight, getting more sweat, sleep deprivation, changes in blood pressure, getting more frustration, be worried, be fatigued without doing any work, more thirsty, hair fall, no birth of children, no proper periods in ladies, reduction of eye vision. All these are the symptoms of imbalance of hormones. If you add these symptoms or signs, it is better to consult a doctor. The reasons for hormonal imbalances are not taking proper nutritious food, take pills to prevent pregnancy, deficiency of iodine, morely affected to pollution. The main reason is eating the food cultivated by chemical fertilizers which affect on whole endocrine system. All these are the reasons for hormonal imbalances. By taking some care, we can maintain the healthy endocrine system in our body. They are don't be stressed and be cool. Do daily exercise, yoga, meditation. Reduce the eating packaging food, or don't take hot food and hot drinks in plastic materials. It is better to take in glass materials. Don't eat food items which have been fed with chemicals. Taking less sugar, maintaining proper weight, taking nutritious food, daily morning stand in the sunshine, you can get vitamin D. All these which make balance of hormones in our body, so we can stay healthy in our body. All organs are doing hard work for us. We have responsibility to support that organs to be stay healthy. Okay friends, this is about hormones in our body and endocrine system. If you like the video, please put a like, and for some more interesting videos, please subscribe my channel LVK Education.